Now, good morning. This topic of our experiment is to determine the value of Planck constant H using LED. In this figure, you can see there is a whole experimental setup. We have a rheostat, we have a LED, we have a voltmeter, we have a millimeter, we have a rheostat. Also, we have drawn a circuit diagram. Also, I am using a virtual lab. Firstly, I am just completing this whole a circuit. I am making this circuit. I am just completing it. Now we have just joined an LED with this resistor. Then this resistor has been joined with the ammeter. Now after which that I will connect it to the rheostat. As you can see, this black wire is denoting the negative terminal and red wire is denoting the positive terminal. Now I have connected my key to the rheostat and this key to the battery, and then battery is connected to the rheostat, but still my circuit is incomplete because still now I haven't connected my LED to this battery. Now I'm connecting my LED to this battery as well, and after that our whole circuit got completed. Now our circuit has been got completed, and here I have just click on the insert key. अब मेरी की insert हो गई. Now color of the LED is selected at red. Now as you see, we are just decreasing the value of resistance and our voltage is continuously increasing, but still LED is not glowing. We are just continuously sliding it, and we have seen that at 160 ohm or at 1.89 volt our LED has just started to glow. It means that this is our threshold voltage. At this voltage, it is a minimum voltage at which our LED has just started to glow. Now similarly we have to just calculate this threshold voltage for the green color also. We are just sliding it. Actually the concept is that the threshold voltage is a voltage at which our electrons from the conduction band falls to the valence band and a photon is emitted, and when the photon is emitted we see a light, we see a glow in this LED. As you can see here, in this case actually we are getting this value at 1.50 ohm or 2.40 volt. 2.40 volt pe we have seen a glow in our LED. Similarly we have changed the color to the yellow. We just calculate the value of V0 for different colors. After that we will plot a graph between V0 and 1 by lambda so that we can calculate the slope, and after that we would equate the slope to the HC by E, and we can determine the value of H from the knowledge of our slope. Now I am just changing my color from yellow to blue. Similarly I would do it to the infrared. This is actually the whole way we perform this experiment. So in this experiment, what is the main thing? The main thing is we have to just know the value of the threshold voltage, because at the threshold, and what is threshold voltage? Threshold voltage is that minimum voltage when a LED just started to glow. Thank you. I hope you just understand my video.